Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Today we will learn new chapter in English, chapter number 19, The Ugly Duckling. Mother duck was really proud of her six new ducklings. They were soft, fluffy and yellow. Such fine little ducklings, but the seventh one was very different. It was bigger and its feather was grey and shaggy. It looked so ugly. There is a mother duck. She was very proud of her six new ducklings. Ducklings means baby ducks. They were soft, fluffy. Fluffy means covered with soft and light fur. The six ducklings have soft and fluffy and yellow feathers. Such fine little ducklings. They are looking beautiful. But the seventh one was very different. It's bigger in size and its feather was grey and shaggy. Shaggy means long and untidy. Means the feather of the seventh duckling was grey and shaggy, and it looked so ugly. All the same, Mother Duckling thought, "It's my baby duckling." She loved it dearly, but the other six brothers and sisters didn't like the ugly duckling. When it waddled towards them, they turned their back and ran away. As, as a mother's love is unconditional for their children, so the mother thought in the same way that their seventh duckling is also her baby duckling and she loved it dearly. Okay, but the other siblings, their six brothers and sisters, they did not like him because she, uh, because they found her ugly. When it waddled means when that ugly duckling walked with short steps moving from side to side, what did they do? They turned their back and ran away. The little duckling would go for a swim every day to a lake nearby. The ugly duckling wanted to join the others, but they did not want him. They always swam away from him. He was left all alone. All the little ducklings, what did they do? They go for the swim every day to a lake nearby. And that ugly duckling, he also wanted to join with their siblings, but they did not allow him to join them. What did they do? They always swam away from him and left him alone. The ugly duckling swam better than the other ducklings, which did not please them at all. The other ducklings did not like him because he was ugly, but the ugly duckling swam better than all the ducklings. Because of that, they did not please him, or they did not happy with him. They teased him about his ugliness. They make fun of this ugly duckling, and they teased. His only friend was his mother. Who is the friend of this ugly duckling? Only his mother. Other ducks told his mother, "All your ducklings are smart, but this big fellow looks so different. Why is he so ugly?" His mother only said, "He is mine and I love him too." All ducklings asked his mother that all your ducklings are smart and beautiful, but this seventh one, who is big in size, looks so different. Why is this ugly? Why is he ugly? His mother only said that he is mine. He is my duckling, and he loves him. And she loves him too. At last, feeling very lonely and sad, the ugly little duckling decided to leave the lake. He made his way to the river's edge and swam away with the river. At last, feeling very lonely and sad, the ugly decided to leave that lake and go away from their family. See, this is the ugly duckling on the left side and the six other ducklings who is looking very pretty and smart. Wherever the poor duckling tried to seek shelter, he found that he was always ridiculed by others. Smaller birds, animals, even human beings poked fun at him. He became lonelier and more miserable. Wherever this poor duckling tried to seek shelter, tried to find his shelter, he found that he always he was always ridiculed. Ridiculed means laughed at or passing unkind comments to someone or somebody. That means all the small birds, animals, even human beings make fun of him. He became very lonelier and more miserable. Miserable means extremely sad. By and by, he grew bigger and stronger, but whenever he looked at his own reflection, he thought, I look so ugly. He was afraid to look at his own reflection. He hid himself if he saw anyone coming. As the time goes on, by the time passed, he grew bigger and stronger, but whenever he looked his own reflection in water, he thought that he was so ugly and he was afraid to look at his own reflection in water. If anyone he saw anyone is coming, he hid himself. One day, when he was hiding among the reeds, he saw a flock of graceful white swans swim past. Reeds means a tall grass that grows near the edge of water, near the corner of water. The tall grasses that grows near the corner of water. So one day when he was hiding himself among the reeds, he saw a flock. Flock means group of birds, a group of graceful. Graceful means beautiful. He saw a group of beautiful white swans that swims. They were most beautiful birds he had ever seen. How wonderful to be like them, he said to himself. After seeing all these group of birds of swans, he said to himself that how means they were so beautiful that he had ever seen, and express his feeling that how wonderful to be like them. Then came winter, with cold winds and snow. Without any shelter, the poor duckling was frozen in the snow. A kind man saw him and broke the snow and saved the duckling. As the time passed, winter season comes and it's where there is cold winds and snow without any shelter, because he's not having any shelter for himself. So because of that, that poor duckling frozen in the snow. But a kind man saw that this poor duckling was frozen in the snow. What he did, he broke the snow and saved this ugly duckling's life. Soon it was spring. The duckling had now gained a lot of strength. Again he found his way to the river's edge and swam further away. As new season comes, the spring season comes, the duckling had now gained a lot of strength. He gained so many strength in himself, and what he did, he found his way to the river's edge and swim further away with this water. One fine morning, when he flapped his wings against his sides, he rose high into the air. He flew on and on till he found himself in a beautiful, fragrant garden. One fine morning, when he flapped means the wings of birds moving up and down very quickly. Means when he flapped his wings, he moving his wings very quickly against the against his sides. He flew in the air. He goes on and on till he found himself in a beautiful fragrant. Fragrant means having pleasant smell. He found himself in a beautiful garden with a pleasant smell in this garden. From a thicket close by came three beautiful white swans, rustling their feathers and gliding light over the smooth water. Rustling means making a light, soft sound. Gliding means moving smoothly and quietly. When he is going further, see, when from the thicket means from the forest close by, three beautiful swans came who was rustling, who were making light and soft sound and moving smoothly and quietly in water. The duckling remembered the lovely birds. He was afraid to meet them, but he felt a strange longing to be with them. He made up his mind to approach them, no matter how badly they treated him later on. Longing means wanting something very much. The ugly duckling remembered these birds, the beautiful birds. He was afraid. He was afraid to meet them, but he felt a strange longing. He he has to meet them at any cost. He's wanting to meet them. Okay, but so he gathered his all courage and said himself and make up and make a decision that he will approach them. He will go and he will go near to them. Okay, no matter how badly they treated him later on. He swam towards the beautiful birds and bowed his head down to the surface of water. What he did, he swam towards these beautiful birds. Bowed means bowed to bend his head down to the surface of water. And what did he see in the clear stream below? When he bowed his head towards the surface of the water, and he see himself, his own image, his own reflection, his own image, that no longer a dark grey ugly bird but a graceful and beautiful swan. The other swans swam round the newcomer and welcomed him. When he bowed his head towards the water, he sees his own reflection in the water. He was no longer a dark, grey, and ugly bird. Now he became a graceful, a beautiful swan. The other swans came to this newcomer and welcomed him. The bird that had lived a miserable life as an ugly duckling was a swan after all. The bird who is living with very difficulty and in an extremely sad life he was living. He was not an ugly duckling. He was, after all, a beautiful swan. He covered his slender neck and cried joyfully from the depth of his heart. Slender means thin, in an attractive way. His neck was thin and attractive. He curved his slender neck and cried with a joy and from the depth of his heart. Depth means an innermost part of this something. He is he cry with deepness of his heart, depth of his heart, and says to himself, I never dreamed of such happiness as this while I was an ugly duckling. As he never thought that he was a beautiful swan. He is living his life as thinking that he was ugly and living very alone, but he was not any longer a beautiful ugly duckling. He was, after all, a beautiful swan. I hope, students, you have understood this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.